Hey everybody, first of all I would like to say thank you so much for your support and love. Today's video is about a recipe definitely and how we spend our time with the kids as a family weekend that I would like to share with you all. So I hope you all enjoy. So today's dish we going to make a pizza, wood fire pizza, two different flavor. One we going to make, everybody going to choose their own toppings, and second one we going to make a cheese crust pizza, wood fire cheese crust pizza. So stay tuned. So first of all we going to make a dough. So I have a room temperature water and I'm going to add sugar. Reason for sugar, that sugar brings nice beautiful color in a dough. At same time I'm going to add yeast. Once we add yeast, then we're going to set aside for 15 minutes or until it's nice and frothy. So now yeast is nice and frothy. So I'm going to add white flour and at same time salt. Now we're going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add oil and then I'm going to continuously kneading. So this dough is ready now. So what I'm going to do, I will transfer this dough in another deeper bowl and I'm going to cover and I'm going to keep it in warm place. If it's any sun coming from the window, that's the best. And then we're going to wait until it's a double size. Then we're going to start make a pizza.
While the pizza dough is firming, we're gonna cut all the toppings.
Yes. So would you like to chop some mushrooms?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms? This way, sweetheart. Just have a look. Watch out your finger, yeah? While you're chopping a mushroom. See? This thin.
Okay.
Okay. Easy peasy.
Oh,
Go.
this is slippery.
Because that's a mushroom.
I don't think I cut them thin enough.
That's perfectly fine, sweetheart.
You might as well put it in the...
There you go. Yeah.
Don't worry, I wash my hands.
I really like this green color, Pia. Capsicum green color. You're going to chop these olives nice round circle like that. Yeah, watch out your fingers, Widow. Yeah, perfect. See? And meanwhile, I'm gonna chop this.
Hey guys, everything ready?
Yes.
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yes, almost ready.
Almost
Ready,
Our oven
ready.
is perfectly fine, hot and yeah.
We ready to, hey Pia. We chop all vegetables, dough is ready, and we gonna ready start making a pizza. So first of all, we going to make cheese crust pizza, and then I'm going to call everybody, my whole team, and they're going to make their own topping one pizza, which is a fun part actually. We enjoy so much. So I'm going to need one more time. And then what we're gonna do, I'm going to roll and make a base. So one base we're going to cook in non-stick pan, and one base we're going to leave it as it is in a row, and then whole pizza we're going to cook in wood fire. So this base I'm going to make as thin as possible, and this one we're going to cook in non-stick pan, and I'm going to make a hole. Reason for that it's gonna cook thoroughly both sides. And my pan is nice and hot, so I'm going to cook both sides. So one side is ready, and we're not going to cook thoroughly like a chapati or naan. Now we're going to make another layer. One layer we already cooked, half cooked. In this part we have to careful that we're going to make this base slightly bigger than that cooked base. Reason that we're going to put that cooked one on the top of it. So we going to make this one slightly bigger. Now I'm going to add semolina, and then I'm going to put this base. Reason for semolina that it's gonna be very easy to slide it in oven, which is Lakman going to show you soon. Now I'm going to spread cheese spread. Now I'm going to add very yummy mozzarella, which is optional. If you have a cheese spread and if you like just only cheese spread, still it tastes so nice. And now I'm going to add another layer, which is it's a cooked one. And this is the trick. I'm going to spread little bit of water around this pizza base. Reason for that, now we're going to close this pizza. So all cheese going to cook thoroughly. It's gonna stay inside as it is, and it's not gonna come out. Now pizza sauce. and cheese on the top. Now I'm going to spread little bit butter around this base. Pizza is ready. Cheese crust pizza. It's beautiful, very yummy. Oh, yum. Very nice. Going to choose their own topping.